Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. This is just a quick video to show you how to scalp gold on a 3-minute chart. I did a little short video a couple of minutes ago, but this was the trade. If we open up MT4 over here, today's date, it was a gold scalp XAU, as you can see. You know, $127, it's not much. Every little bit counts, but I mean, that was 5 minutes work, to be honest. Now what I want to do is show you how or why I took that trade, and we're going to look at two options that you have. One is more risky than the other. I've got a 5-minute chart above and I've got a 4-hour chart below. If you want to play it safe, only trade bearish breakout signals, given that this is heading south. Bearish breakout signals on the 5 minutes. So there's your breakout signal right here. Bearish breakout. We're looking for the range that it broke out from was just here. The pullback retest. Okay, so that's your trade. If the 4-hour chart is heading south, what you're looking for is opportunities where, the market moves like so, okay? 4-hour chart. You're looking for these retraces where the market starts to rotate, trading with the trend like so. It's pretty simple. So there you get these pullbacks. It's a 4-hour chart. There's a pullback here. There's a pullback here. There's quite a big spike there, and there's one here. Our trade, this short, was up in here. 4-hour chart heading south. Nice pullback into, and look, you can get a bit technical with this, but let's keep it simple. You've got this level back here, okay, pullback retest of that, and you get a signal like this, you take it. All right, so that's kind of next level. Let's just keep it really simple. We'll go with the more risky approach. I'll open up this on a 1 chart layout. Let's just take every one of these trades. Breakout, pullback, retest. Okay, that was my trade this morning, and I made a few dollars. Quick money. I was happy with that. Look at this one. There's your payday. That's serious money. On my account, or the one that I was trading, that was worth $127. Okay, so you get the picture, whatever size you're trading, etc. Okay, every trade, you don't want to do that, but if you do, most of these are going to work out, and occasionally you'll get your stop will get taken out. But we could count these back. There's 3. There's no higher time frame reference, nothing. This is just trading the signals as they fire. And again, you're looking for the pullback. There's the break. There's a retest of this. And I'm always going to go on the pullback here. I'm always looking for 2/3 of my position off early. And I'll pull my stop loss into be in the money. This is a winning trade. There's the range, previous range. There's the pullback. There's your trade. Now you just keep trading it, and then every now and again you're going to get a decent run like this one, for example. Breakout, retest. There's the break. There's the retest right here. Look at that. And this is, again, just trading every one of these signals regardless. No technical analysis, no nothing. Trading gold, 5-minute chart. Okay, we got 2 here. Now here's where the risk is involved here. So we've got a short opportunity there. That's nice. We've got this buy. What you can do if you want to is you can then go to the higher time frame. Look at this up. There's another short here. And that kept going depending on where your stop loss, if your stop loss was above the dots. Anyway, I think you see what I'm getting at. Like so far, I don't know, 10 out of 10 or maybe 9 out of 10, just taking these signals regardless. But if we include now a higher time frame, say the 4-hour chart, let's just clear the decks here. I'll mark up this buy. You can see it's marked up on both charts. Rules of engagement, if you want. Okay, so you can do this. There's a breakout signal. That's just a stop run. That's all it is. You want to have a look at the 4-hour chart. And again, if you look for opportunities where, that's a buy in here. But, do you really want to get involved here? Buying into, have a look and see what's on our indicators here. You've got a daily level, this yellow line. You might not want to buy into that. Have a look at this. See the direction of these lines here. They're heading south. So you can see lower lows, lower highs. This is clearly trending down. So don't take green signals. Go for the red ones if it's trending now, because what they're going to give you is when this pulls back, it'll start to rotate. So you're looking for this retrace, the rotation, and then the signal's going to fire as it's rotating. Now, if you want to, you can go down to a 3 minute. It'll get you in earlier. It's a bit faster, but it'll get you in definitely earlier than the 5 minute. And then, I mean, go to the next level with it and only take, for example, let's just mark up. Like you can mark up previous support and resistance. So you can mark up these distribution levels here, pull it across, and when we get a pull back into it, you're looking for, let's just mark that. Okay, so that's marked up back here. On the 3 minute chart, there'll be a signal back here. That's your point of interest here, and there's your signal right there. That's your short there, and that gets you in. And you can trade it on the 4 hour time frame if you want to set your stop loss a bit deeper. All right, so again, if you want to go for the 3 minute, it'll get you in earlier. So let's just have a look at that. And you want to be as close as possible to this level up here. So then you're looking for the 3 minute signal in and around this, the next 3 minute signal. So that's it there. Let's mark that up. All right, and that is next level. What did that look like? There's your trade. Nice one. It goes on. Stop loss above. Depending on how well you read the chart, there it is. And look, there's a retest of this level again. So you mark up your 4 hour distribution levels if it's bearish, and that's your other opportunity there. This is how to trade gold, guys. I mean, it's how to trade everything, by the way. So what I want to say to you is, for one thing, join our Discord group. It's free. It's a fantastic resource. When you join the free, you get access to everything under the Trader's Zone here. Trader's Zone. Or go to the next level from $14.95 a month. Join VIP and you get access to advanced trading tutorials, better signals, etc. So guys, with that, I hope you have a great day. Click the link below and join me on this journey. We'll see you in the next video.